Why does Malaysia rain so much? Malaysia experiences heavy rainfall due to its location near the equator and its tropical rainforest climate. As warm, moist air rises from the ocean, it cools and condenses into clouds, which then release precipitation in the form of rain. Malaysia's location also places it in the path of monsoons, which bring seasonal winds and heavy rains. Additionally, the country's mountainous terrain can cause orographic rainfall, where moist air is forced upwards by the mountains, leading to increased rainfall. Climate change is also believed to be exacerbating Malaysia's rainfall patterns, leading to more intense and frequent rain events. Overall, Malaysia's climate and location result in abundant rainfall, which can both benefit and challenge the country and its people. If you liked our content, remember to like and subscribe.